Young Money. Hey everybody, thanks so much for tuning in to Young Money Investments. My name is Cameron Benyon. Let's cut this really quick and get into talking. Hey, so it's been a couple days since I posted a video, and I apologize that I've not posted more. I've been filming a whole bunch, but I've not been putting them out. I've been having issues with the VLC and the QuickTime and getting the right formats and stuff like that. And so a couple of the videos that I've shot, even a video that I shot with Rhett Van Leeuwen back when he made 121,000 on Thursday, did not get posted to YouTube. So I'm really bummed about that. But in other news, there might be a few more videos to come with Rhett. In fact, we might be doing something big, but that is to be seen. So I wanted to kind of talk to you guys about something different. The markets and everything like that, if you do want to get my analysis of my portfolio and what I'm doing right now, I did sell out part of my $70,000 position in Tesla. I sold out $10,000 today just because I felt like it was testing resistance. It's probably going to have a sell-off again tomorrow. The only reason I sold off part of that position was because I bought about $10,000 worth of Tesla back when it was at 248. And so I was kind of, day trading it. I'm way cost averaged in way too high. As you all know that I bought in way too high on those. And so it's kind of frustrating. I got greedy. I got really freaking greedy. And I think that that pisses me off. Like, first off, more than anything, like, I'm a better trader than that. I didn't follow my rules. I didn't follow my set standards, and I've paid the price for it. I really have, and so that's a little bit frustrating. As far as that goes, like I said, I haven't been trading a whole bunch in my portfolio because of that. But nevertheless, that doesn't mean that there's a lot of good buying opportunities. I'm just super deep when I'm cashed out. I have a lot in my brokerage, in my portfolio, and so I am low on cash, high in shares, and I'm not wanting to sell out for a loss. I really think it will still bounce back. I still don't see the market having tall tale signs of a recession. All this pullout or all this sell-off crap has been frustrating, to say the least. Tesla's made a few mistakes with their April Fool's Day joke, and they did have that recall. Facebook obviously has had some issues, but I still see the long-term value in those companies and everything. But I've paid the cost. I've paid the price for it. So just because we're good traders does not mean that we don't all make mistakes. And I learned. I'm learning from those mistakes as well. So what I wanted to get into today, though, is mindset and why I have millionaire mentors. This is kind of going back to a video that I filmed with Brad Smith on his channel. So a lot of you new subscribers are here because of Brad. So thank you so much. I just want to say thank you to y'all that are here because of that and have decided to follow me and my long-term and my swing trade positions and things like that. Let's kind of get into this, though, and I wanted to talk about why I have millionaire mentors. And the first thing I wanted to talk about is, whether you had a father figure or not, whether you had a great relationship with your dad or whether you grew up without a dad, it makes no difference. But I've noticed, at least for some people, like myself, I grew up with my mom most of the time. I'd see my dad usually like every other weekend, but it was very short periods of time. Mentors work as a great father figure in your life. And so I like having a mentor, for that number one reason. But I really think you also realize your full potential a lot better as you are, picking up a new skill, whether it may be trading, whether it may be sales, whether you're getting into a new sales job, whether it be learning to shoot hoops or play golf or whatever you're doing. I think it's important to have a mentor because you realize your potential so much faster when they themselves believe in you. One of my mentors, Michael, who's also my boss for one of the businesses that I participate in. I think one of the things he told me is, he says, the number one reason people are successful is access to mentors. And I believe that. I mean, I really believe that they are there to help you achieve your full potential much faster than you yourself may have been able to realize it, because it takes you so much longer. And having someone that believes in you is half the battle. If someone that is better than you at something that you want to be good at and they believe in you and see your potential, you are going to be that much better at it. And I think that's really important. Another thing I kind of wanted to caution people about, as you gain success, is that you do tend to maybe believe that it's all you. Like you're the man, you're the woman, you're the boss, whatever it may be. And I think it's really important that as you do gain success from learning from a mentor, is that you do give back. I can't tell you how much reward I feel when I give back and mentor people and help them out. That's the whole purpose of this channel and everything like that. So I love that idea. I also think another important and crucial aspect is to remember God in your lives. Maybe some of you don't believe in God, but I mean, I'm just gonna say it. Like I don't need subscribers. I don't need this channel to make money. That's for darn sure. Like this channel is just more of a fun little, toy for me and the ability to help people. But God really is the number one reason I think that I attribute my success. I really do. And you can never begin to start to believe that you're doing it all on your own. I firmly believe that God has had a hand in that, and that as I guess stay focused on Him, all the other success and everything around me has come to fruition. So I think that's really important. The one other thing I wanted to say as well is that basically, like, what was I gonna say? I don't even know. I don't even know. This is just going to be a one cut here, but I really think those are some of the things I wanted to touch on with finding a mentor. I think finding a mentor is going to be key. You're not always going to find a millionaire mentor overnight. Sometimes these people are, well, not sometimes, they are always busy people. But finding someone that is better than you at a certain skill that you want to have is crucial. I have mentors. My friend Spencer, I mean, I really look at him as a mentor for me in the Amazon FBA game. Michael, like I said, who owns Elite, who owns the ADT dealer that I work for. A huge mentor, very successful. But you look at Spencer, who's a 22-year-old kid, essentially, and you look at Michael, who's an adult and running a multi-million-dollar company. They're very different, but they both have equal value in their specific fields that they are helping me in. And so whether it's someone that's younger than you, whether it's someone that's older than you, I just think finding a mentor is super important. And that's all I wanted to share with you guys. So hopefully this video helps. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you like videos like this, make sure and hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And like I said, if this is a video that you like, leave a comment down below. That'll help me so I can create more videos like this that aren't necessarily focused on trading and everything. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.